Hi guys, this is Madi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find free copyright logo intro and how to use it in your projects. Let's start. First, open your browser. Then go to mixkit.co. In this step, go to Templates and select Premiere Pro. Then search logo. After that, download any intro logo you like. For example, let me download this intro. Select Download Free Template here. Then choose Save File. After that, click on OK. Go to your downloads and right-click on your file. Then choose Extract All. Click on Extract. In this step, open the folder and double-click on this file. Select OK. In the first step, I want to put my own logo instead of Mixkit logo. So I should double-click on Logo Vibe. Then drag my logo here. And select it and change the scale. After that, right-click on Mixkit logo and select Clear. Great! Now let me show you this intro with my logo. Now with this great site, you can easily make your own logo intro. I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe this YouTube channel. See you soon in the next video.